how to download Spotify songs for offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to download songs on Spotify, you'll need to have Spotify Premium. And if you do have Spotify Premium, it's really simple to download the songs. You just need to open up your Spotify app and then find the song that you want to download. And then you need to go to the three dots in the top right, and you'll find the download option right here. Similarly, if you want to download a playlist, you can just head over to your playlist and then go to the three dots beside the playlist, and you'll find the download option right there. But as you can see, it's only for premium users. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.